Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. I need you to be self-sufficient in your confidence. Don't worry about family, friends, mentors, anyone that's giving you a compliment saying, listen, you look great today. You're doing a great job. I need you to become your biggest fan, your biggest cheerleader for the rest of your life. There's great to have a support system, friends and those that will give you compliments from time to time. But you, on the path that you're taking right now, need to be in the mirror every day with affirmations, complimenting yourself. Reasons that you need to love yourself. Your eyes are beautiful. They work. Your mouth is strong. It works. Your tongue, it works where you can speak, you can hear, you can feel, you can smell. You're one of one, you're original. No one is as beautiful as you in this world, in this universe. And you have to see your beauty and learn to love your beauty instead of looking at what the world is saying is beautiful and comparing yourself. There's no comparison when it comes to you. You're top tier. I choose to see the beauty within me, and my wealth lies in my nature and in my gifts. I transform my weaknesses into strengths, and you become an all-powerful being. And I realize that I'm a being of light, and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine. Don't let anyone dim your light, because you're a creator. You're building great foundations, and so many people rely on you. You're the example. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.